And then also we're gonna go wedding dress shopping. I haven't told you guys about that, but I am a co-founder. It feels criminal to use hand soap for the face. And I think we are pretty much ready. Good morning guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I am speaking to you from Brezovica in Kosovo, and I always start my vlogs in that way, but I feel like it's a good way to set the scene so that you know what's happening. Art and I are here for a couple of days. I think today's our last day here. We've only been here for 3 days. We were planning initially to stay for the weekend, but we're going back right now. Because he has kickbox, and then I also have some events that are happening back in the city. This location is a 1-hour drive from the city where we're currently located. It's a nice getaway, especially with how hot it has been. It's so nice to be here and to just be close to nature. It's really quiet because not a lot of people come. This place is really popular in the winter for skiing, so in the summer it's mostly just residents that have houses that come here. And it's also really secluded, like there's not a ton to do if you're not skiing basically, because you have a very limited number of restaurants and hotels in the area, and let alone shops. So we came here, we got everything we needed, and we just had a few days in here. It sounds relaxing, but we were actually both working. I was mostly working with my startup that I founded post-grad. I haven't told you guys about that, but I am a co-founder of a team building startup with 4 of my UNC MBA peers, and we're actively working on that. So I've been working with them remotely for the past few months. And then also I had to shoot so much content for brands, which is essentially my second job and what I'm doing here with you guys. But it was nice because it is so quiet here and there's not a lot to do. It's a great place to get focused. So I actually love it when we come here because it's a change of scenery, and then I get to do much more than usual. Thank you for watching this vlog. I have a ton of updates for you in this one, including some recent packages that just got here, some life updates, and then also we're gonna go wedding dress shopping. I haven't chosen my dress yet though, just a disclaimer, but I did go to one boutique to try wedding dresses for the first time ever, and it was such an emotional experience for me. I have refused to try wedding dresses on ever because I wanted it to be an experience that I only get when I'm about to get married, and even though the wedding is next year, I kind of already started thinking about the dress and thinking about the venue and all of that so that I can get a feel of what to expect and what I need to plan. Thank you to everyone for the well wishes in my last vlog. It means a lot, and I'm also really happy. It's a really good phase of life is what I've been telling all of my friends, and it's nice that I can also share it with you guys through video. Art is downstairs, he's working. He's basically occupied the dining table area. He got his monitors and his computer and whatnot, and that's where he's been situated for the past few days. He also works remotely, so that's why we're able to kind of do this and have the flexibility to just move around. But we're both really excited to start working on our apartment that we're gonna live in next year. We're gonna start renovations in September, so I will take you guys with me on that journey because I think it's gonna be fun. But yeah, I'm really excited to do furniture shopping. I've been doing mood boards. I've been speaking to our sister who's an interior designer. She's helping us with everything, and I'm just excited to see it come to life. But yeah, without further ado, I will let you get into today's vlog because this was a much longer talking brief than I planned, but I miss talking to you guys, so this was a good way to just get you updated on everything. Although 5 minutes are honestly nothing in comparison to everything that's been going on. I feel like this is such a fast-paced period of life, and I feel like days are flying by, but I'm enjoying every day so much, and I'm just feeling really, really grateful for everything that is coming my way and everything that I've worked so hard for. I'm kind of seeing it come to life. So it's really, really exciting. I'll stop yapping now and then we can chat later throughout the vlog. I'm having my second coffee of the day and I'm about to get ready. It's content day today. I want to shoot so many outfits that I will show you once I'm ready, but first I have to do my skincare and my makeup because I just need to feel refreshed. We came here yesterday, like I told you, and I got a bunch of stuff with me because I knew I wanted to get work done also, but I forgot the most important thing, which is the cleanser. So I had to wash my face with literal hand soap to get the makeup off from yesterday, so it feels very, very dry. It feels criminal to use hand soap for the face. I don't know why. It's a body part as well, but I had to do it because I couldn't be with makeup on. It is really beautiful outside today. I'm sitting by a window, so I get to see this amazing view that you'll see a little bit later. I'm using my usual skincare products. I added this The Ordinary caffeine solution for my under eyes just so that I feel more woken up. I ran out of eye cream and I still haven't gotten a replacement for it. So I've been using that as a substitute for now. And then this is my Kiehl's Super Multi-Corrective Cream, which I also love. These will all be linked in the description as always. I am trying to be as quiet as possible because Art is in the dining table. He's set up his computer and whatnot there to work. That's usually his routine. When we get here during the week, he has to work over there. I just have a laptop so I can work pretty much from anywhere, but he has to have his desktop set up, which means he can't really move from the dining table throughout the day. So if you hear some keyboard in the back, that's him. He has his headphones on though, so he won't hear our conversation here. Now just some sunscreen to finish the skincare. I've been on a pretty simple 3-step routine for a while now. My skin is okay, but it doesn't feel at its best. It's getting super dry. So I don't know if I'm overdoing or underdoing something, but I'm not at a place to experiment right now because I'm just feeling super lazy about it. So I'm just using what I have until it runs out, and then maybe I'll go see a dermatologist or something like that. I have so many looks to shoot today. Let me think. I have 2 dresses, 3 dresses, 1 set, which is 4 looks. And then I also have to edit like a mini vlog I shot for TikTok yesterday and then today because I fell asleep. And then I also have, what do I have? I have 2 handbags that I need to also shoot. I have to do like a what's in my bag for one of the brands. And yeah, so everything has piled up. I haven't been able to pick up the packages that came from brands recently. So I picked up everything yesterday, and since we were coming here, I was like, I'll be isolated. There will be no plans except for staying in, potentially going in for a walk. So this is, and it's beautiful here. So this is the perfect location to just get it all over with. So that is what we're doing. I am doing all of this without a mirror, so hopefully it turns out how it's supposed to. This is the Urban Decay foundation face bond. It's so good. This is a warmer shade just because I've told you guys countless times that I try not to tan my face, so I need something to match the rest of my skin tone, and this does a pretty good job. One of my favorite products ever because it genuinely is just a glowy product. You don't get a ton of sparkle from it, you just get a healthy looking glow. I wasn't very much a lipstick girl until I got my hands on this, and it's the Hush Hush shade of Lancome's, I think, nude collection. It is my favorite color and almost ran through. I will do just a tiny bit of gloss in the middle, and this was very pink. And then I think we are pretty much ready. I have a bunch of stuff to unbox. This is what I was telling you about earlier when I was getting ready that I have to shoot. I have everything with me, so it's a whole lot of things. Okay, I'm gonna start with this first. This is a tote bag from Yo-Gaya. They sent a full workout set, which I'm really grateful for because I've been in my gym girl era these past 2 months. And I've already worn everything I have in my workout closet, so workout clothes are always welcome. This is what they sent. So they sent this tote bag, which is super cute for travel. I actually stuffed it when I came here. These very cute branded socks. They seem pretty thick, which is nice as the weather gets cooler. And then this was the set. It's this olive color yoga pants with sports bra, and I always forget what these are called, but also one of these. I tried these on yesterday just to see if they fit. They do, and the material is so soft, so I'm really excited to shoot in these and then wear these for months to come for sure. This was unboxing number 1, and then here I also have 2 dresses from ShowPo. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been working with them for, I don't know if it's been a year, but they send me stuff very often and I love them, so I'm happy to wear them. And this time they sent these 2 dresses from their new collection. This is the first one. It's this really beautiful baby blue color, and it's very different from everything else I own because I don't have anything in a similar pattern, and it's just so cute. And then the other one is this white dress. This is also a mini dress. I love this. I tried this on yesterday. The fit was incredible, and it has a little bit of stretch. It is definitely true to size, which is good. And I also love it because I think I'm going to save it for my bachelorette trip or the wedding events next year because it is so cute. Next, I have these 2 Ted Baker London bags. I actually went to the store yesterday to pick up some items, and I got this really beautiful hobo bag. It has a ton of space. It seems like a really good everyday bag. It looks cute on the shoulder, and this color is everything for fall, so I'm really excited to style this and to also stuff this with everything that I need on a day-to-day basis. And then I also got this simple white dress from them. I like this one because it was very work appropriate, if that makes sense. Like if you have a meeting or something like that. Obviously not speaking for very corporate focused offices that have a dress code, but it fits really nicely. The length is super appropriate, and I just really like the cut of this. Okay, and this I'm really excited about. This was their last number that they had as stock. Is these beautiful sandals. I absolutely love the gold details. They are more summery, I'm gonna say, but this is such a classic staple. I do think that you can wear these year after year, so I'm really excited to have my hands on these. They were in a size 38, which is my number, so I feel really lucky to have found them. And then here I have already stuffed this bag in because I wanted to see what it fits. But this one is from a brand that I have already shown you stuff of. It's from Oleada, New York, which is a work handbag company, and they make these really high quality handbags. In my last New York vlog, I showed you another bag that I got from them. If you remember that, I'm probably gonna insert some pictures here. And so this time they sent a work tote, and I really needed something like this because no bag that I have fits my laptop, and sometimes I just want to work outside of the house, so I needed something bigger. And then also I needed something that is good for travel, that fits all of my essentials, especially when I'm carrying a carry-on or a bigger luggage. I just want a bag that I know can fit my laptop, my skincare, and everything I need for travel. And this bag is perfect for that because it has this zipper that opens the back here, and then you can just stuff it in the suitcase, which is probably one of my favorite things that handbag companies have started doing for their larger bags. And then finally, I have a bag from Unikko. This is a brand that a friend of mine opened, I think last year. and she sent me a couple of stuff to share with you guys. She makes these really like classy, elegant pieces that you can wear at different events, or if you're extra, just at night for a date night. I actually wore this already on a date night with Art. It is this little black dress. And then the second one is this red dress. Oh, I think I'm taking it with me to Paris next month for Fashion Week. I think it's very different from a lot of things I typically wear, so it's nice that I get to get out of my comfort zone a little bit here. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing moment. Definitely a ton of stuff to go through. It will be a long day today, but I'm excited for it. I love it when I'm just able to go and just finish things and then spend the rest of the week editing, which is where the most work is actually. Hey guys, I am on the elevator. I'm going to a very, very fun appointment. I'm gonna let you guess for a second. Okay, I'm going to my first ever bridal appointment. It's today at noon. It's at Tina Valeri, who is a Spanish designer. And I'm gonna go and try some of their dresses. And I'm beyond excited for this, so I wanted to document it and take you with me. So, let's go.
Një kuriozitet, nëse që vime provu, o I kanë kuqe o zeza.
Hi guys, it is Saturday. I am back home. I'm already on my PJs. It is only 6 p.m. but I am already on my PJs because I've had such a long day and I'm so tired. I just wanted to get on here and to thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was a fun one to shoot and I feel like there was a ton to talk about and a ton to show you that is new. For the bridal appointment, I didn't end up picking anything yet. I want to go to some more stores before I make a final decision, but I did show you some of the dresses that I like. There were a few others that I tried that I really liked. I didn't want to rush into sharing them just yet, but it's definitely a fun process and I want to go to as many stores as possible so that I can get a lot of memories of me trying on dresses and then just choose one in the end. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, all of those things so that I know what type of content you enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Bye!